Okay, add-ons are an extremely important way that you can build revenue in your business. There's a number of other things depending on your area, what's important. What do you think your specific demographic of clients want? So that being said, I got down to work and I started thinking, who are our clients? Okay, our core clientele are travelers traveling to Mexico City for a long airplane ride and get to their Airbnbs tired, a little confused as to what to do, where to get things in an unfamiliar country. What we've come up with as one of our add-ons is a refrigerator fill-up. And what we do is we have a list of curated items like fresh guacamole, salsa, chips, beers, Gatorades, Red Bull. We give you some Oreos, some eggs, some fresh tortillas from the mercado. We also give you a lovely welcome mezcalita kit. Anyway, I'm gonna start prepping and then I'm gonna go drop it off. I intend to finish up here in about an hour and bring everything over to the Airbnb. This is margarita mix. Anyway, now we're gonna make some guac.
Piso 3, departamento 8.
Piso 3, depa 8, no problema. We got here, we're here, they're not here yet. Wow, what a beautiful location. But anyway, we're filling up their fridge. We're putting everything, we wanna wow them. It's really important for us to wow the guest at every step we possibly can. We understand that people have high expectations, especially when it comes to something like dining or like local services like this. And we wanna make sure it's really easy to go below their expectations. So in order to exceed their expectations, we just try to wow them at every turn. So even small things like putting the bottles label out like this, we call this supermarket quality. Look guys, let me tell you about something. If you're serious about building a profitable personal chef business, the Personal Chef Resource Vault is non-negotiable. And better yet, it's free. Inside, you'll get some of the exact tools I use to run my business. Airtight contracts, proven email scripts, a pricing system that protects your time, and a real marketing blueprint. You can download it free in the link in our description. So go ahead and do that. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I'm Ron. I'll see you in the next one.